Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna take a peek at another method from Itertools. So, all right, let's just knock it out. Okay, so this is kind of a cool one, and for those of you who might know a little bit more, it's gonna look very similar to some very advanced library, and we'll get there soon, I promise. I just want to make sure we have a lot of practice and going from there. So, all right, let's just look at Itertools. So, all right, and the one that I want to talk about is compress. Crap, it's over there. So, all right, help Itertools.compress. So, okay. Take some data and some selectors. So, all right, let's just look at something. Letters A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, all right, that should be 7 letters. So, all right, and this is what I need. So, let's say 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. How many was that? 3, 3, 7. Okay. So, what this does, return data element corresponding with the true selector element. So, all right. I cannot remember if we've done this, so I apologize. I just thought about it as we were starting this. In the Python universe, maybe I'll do one. If I haven't done it, guess what? It'll be before this one. So there is in Python, as we did one of the other videos, you can search 0, 1 for true and false. So all right, that is true, this is false. So I want to only print out the vowels. So this is how. Oh, and here is very important. It returns an iterator. So guess what? If you do not know what an iterator is, there is a video for that. It talks about the difference between an iterator and an iterable. They're not the same. So because this is the key component, but guess what? Did a whole video on it. So go peek at that, come back here, because I'm going to show you why, what the characteristic of it is and why. But let me just show you how it works. So all right, we do new equals Itertools dot compress, then I give it letters, then I give it need, and then boom. Okay, so I run this, then I call new, and all I get is this object. So now why don't I wrap this in a list? So then if I go new, aha, so now I only get the vowels because that's what I specified. But now if I do this again, and if you went back and looked at iterators, it gets walked through and it is exhausted. So if I were to want to be able to do this again, I would need to call this. So it is there, and then I call list new. So now if I were to want to put this in a, to give you an idea, let's say print list new, and then if I were to want to put this back as a string, I would need to do this again down here. So join, and guess what? If you haven't seen join, or if you don't know what this is, guess what? There's a video for that. So all right, boom. So I have it as a list, I have it as a string, because it got exhausted the last time. So if I did this right here, it would fail. Actually, let's just comment it out just in case we have somebody going, what are you talking about? See, blank. So this has to be created because this is an iterator. So all right, cool. And again, like I said, this is really touching the areas of some more advanced stuff, and I promise, because I've had some asks about it, we will get there soon. Just hang in there with me. I want to bring everybody with us. So all right, thanks for watching. If this is the type of video you like, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.